So now we are going to start this new machine. Now it's ready for trials. So this is going to Rajasthan. You can see that fully assembly work, everything is over. Painting, everything done. Now we are going to start the production. So before starting the production, you just need to put this lock. It will be like this. So we need to put it inside and rotate, and we need to lock it like this, sir. So next we need to put the crushing part inside. I'll just show you. That's a crushing part. We'll put this inside and just I'll show you, sir. Inside. After that we have put the steel cap on the top. So now we need to connect this rod with that steel cap. So first we need to keep the hole straight, and now we'll tie this first. So here we need to tie 3 to 4 threads at the bottom. So if you see in the bottom, it is 4 threads we have tightened now. So here we need to tie 20 in the back. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 18 19 20 or 22 is also okay. Now 22 we have kept, that is enough, sir. So now put the raw material and we'll start the production process, sir. So this is groundnut. So this is a good quality of groundnut. So don't use hybrid seeds, sir. If you are using hybrid seed, the oil quality and the color will be not good. So mostly use local groundnut, so that will be taste and color will be good, sir. So this is all like the local groundnut will be in small sizes, but the oil color and taste will be good. Don't use that bigger size groundnut. It will be looking big, but oil will be becoming more, sir, but oil quality will be not good. Don't use hybrid seeds, sir. Use only the local seeds. That will be good for health also. So now we'll start the machine, sir. Now we'll add 750 ml of water. This raw material normally consumes 750 ml. So now directly we are adding 750 ml of water. Slowly we just need to pour inside, sir. So 750 ml of water we have added, sir. So after 5 to 10 minutes, oil will start coming, sir. I'll just show you. Now oil started coming from the groundnut. So you can see that it has become cake. From the cake, oil started coming out. So within 5 to 10 minutes, oil started coming, sir. So we just need to wait for another 5 minutes, then we'll remove the oil out, sir. Complete wooden machine, sir. Total wooden machine. Pure cold press machine, sir. Now oil started coming from the cake. So now it's fully stored with oil, sir, inside the drum. So now we'll remove this oil out, sir. So now oil has fully went down, sir. Now there is no oil inside the drum. So oil has fully came out. We have taken the cake out. So now oil production is over, sir. So we have removed the cake. So we have taken the oil out, sir. It's your groundnut oil. So that's it, sir. Now we can, if you want to do the next batch, we can continuously put the next batch, sir. Now with this oven means we can remove this crushing part and we can clean it inside, sir. So this is how we need to do the oil production by using this cold press oil extracting machine, sir. If you have any doubts, sir, you can directly contact me. I'll reply you all the queries. You can give comments and reply and like my video if you like this video. And you can subscribe my YouTube channel so you can get more ideas about the cold press machine. So if anyone is interested to buy this machine, please contact me, sir. My contact number is 9943012302. So I'll reply all your questions about the machine and oil business. So this is the machine we are manufacturing in Coimbatore, Tamilnadu. So if anyone is interested, please contact me, sir. I'll repeat the number 9943012302. Thank you, sir. Thank you for watching this video.